Welcome back to MG Midget, birth of a race car, capturing my journey from car restoration to the 2022 MG Car Club Speed Series. In this episode, we're going to be taking the car for an MOT. So an MOT, or a Ministry of Transport certificate in the UK, is designed to prove that a car is roadworthy. But for the MG Car Club Speed Series, if you're entering in a road class, you need to have an MOT to prove that it is just that. Quite simply, it's designed to test the key mechanical and electrical elements of the car to make sure that it's safe and working correctly. So in principle, it focuses on the lights, headlights, indicators. It focuses on the mechanical integrity of the suspension. Is there any play, is there any wear, any loose bolts, nuts? It focuses on the performance of the brakes, so to make sure that the car can stop okay. And also the mechanical running of the engine. So is it blowing any smoke out the back? A clear sign that the car has seen better days. For this car then, I'm hoping that's going to be just a formality. The car has been built from scratch with a lot of new components and it's working as it should do, so I'm not too concerned. The only thing that will need adjusting is the front headlights that have never really been set to the right beam direction, so hopefully we'll get that done at the same time. Other than that, it gives me a couple of weeks now, if there is anything that needs sorting out, to get that sorted before its first outing in the Cobra Race Series. The good news then, if I'm taking the car for an MOT, is it's another excuse to go for a drive. So that's the car fully MOT'd, road legal, and I've now got all the bits of paper that I need to get on that sprint track. So short and sweet, but actually quite an important milestone for me after 15 months of completely stripping a car and rebuilding it. I feel like I've given birth to a child, having waited patiently in the waiting room for the delivery and getting this piece of paper to say that it's roadworthy and in good condition. So really pleased today to get that and ready for the next step. Once again then, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. See you on the next video.